What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Hope by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and once you're done with the video, check the description below. I've left a link there for you guys for a free ebook I'm giving away called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. The ebook is just a little gift I like to give away to everybody new coming to the channel and checking out the content. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go grab your free ebook. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this is a very easy song since it's not technically played on a guitar. It's just two chords that alternate back and forth. So the first chord is going to be an A minor. What that is your index finger on your B string on your first fret, your middle finger on your D string on your second fret, and your ring finger on your G string on your second fret. Now your second chord is going to be an E minor. All that is just take your index finger off and move both of your middle finger and your ring finger down one string. Remember, on your guitar, down is technically up because you talk about it as if the guitar is laying in your lap and you're looking down at it, so that would technically be down coming towards you. So your fingers come down two strings where your middle finger is on your second fret on your A string and your ring finger is on your second fret on your D string. For your strumming pattern, also very simple. It's just down, 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 up on your A, and then you switch to your E, down, 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 up. So that looks like down, 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 up, 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 change, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. One more time, a little slower. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and also go get your free ebook in the description below. If this video is helpful for you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, leave any questions or comments or concerns that you have in the comment section below. Also, any other songs that you would like me to teach you, leave those in the comment section below as well, and we'll see you guys in the next video.